Understanding like a tree stump in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, like a tree stump. This phrase is a great example of how colorful and imaginative the English language can be. So, if you're ready to add another expression to your English vocabulary, let's dive in. Like a tree stump is an idiomatic expression. Idioms are phrases that have a meaning different from the individual words. This phrase is typically used to describe someone who is very stubborn or unmoving in their opinions or actions. Just like a tree stump is firm and rooted to the ground, a person described as like a tree stump is seen as immovable or unchangeable. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help us remember them better. The phrase, like a tree stump, likely comes from the literal characteristics of a tree stump. It's solid, difficult to move, and firmly rooted. These physical traits are metaphorically applied to a person's character or behavior. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday language. 1. My grandfather is like a tree stump when it comes to his morning routine. Nothing can change it. 2. Even though everyone disagreed, she was like a tree stump, refusing to change her opinion. 3. He's as stubborn as a tree stump. You'll never convince him to try something new. This phrase is informal and best used in casual conversations. It's not typically used in formal or professional settings. Also, remember that it can sometimes have a negative connotation, so be mindful of the context and the audience. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, like a tree stump, and how you can use it in your conversations. Remember, learning idioms is not only about expanding your vocabulary but also about getting a deeper understanding of the culture behind the language. Keep practicing, and you'll sound like a native in no time. See you in our next video.